Today guys, i-modify natin ang ating PC dito sa likod. So I'll be using two other devices dito sa aking PC. So one is this one, si Aisurix, the gaming graphics card. It's the RX 5500 XT. Together with this one, TForce Vulcan Z. This one is a SSD and it has a 1 terabyte of storage. Let's get it started. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So right now, i-unbox natin itong RX 5500 XT ni Aisurix, no? So it's almost the same box na nakuha natin, no, previously sa 6080. So it looks like the same box, no, ng 680, except siguro dinikita lang nila na sticker dito, no? But it's okay, no problem with that. So bubuksan na natin, no? We have a user guide. We have the graphics card. So bubuksan natin, no? It's pretty sealed. Ooh. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is the Aisurix RX 5500 XT. It's 8 gigs of RAM, DDR6. Okay. So in-upgrade, actually this is a little bit more older version. No? So they made a facelift, better ang kanyang heat dissipation, and better itsura ang kanyang backplate. No? Check this picture out. Yun ang makukuha nyo ito if you purchase it now. So here are the two fans up front. This is how it looks like dito sa likod. And dito sa back panel, we have isang HDMI input and tatlong DP port. Ito naman itsura niya dito sa side. So dito power in. Probably would be nicer kung meron siyang print dito, no? Kung ano nga ba siya. Let's say meron siyang print na dito na 6600 XT, no? Would really look a lot better than walang print. Clean siya, pero for me, I prefer na may print. So buksan naman natin tong isa, no? Si TForce. So we have here, this one is from Team Group na TForce. It's a Vulcan Z na 2.5-inch na SSD, no? It has 1 terabyte of storage. And this one has a transfer speed of 6 GB per second. Look guys, meron siyang 3 years of warranty. Tara, mount natin. So after running itong Crystal Disk Mark, I was able to get a read of 400 Mbps and a write speed of 382 Mbps for the TForce Vulcan Z. And for me, it's quite okay. For its price point, definitely I have no problem with it. And of course, checking yung kanyang price, it's very much affordable. Itong all-new na TForce Vulcan Z Gaming SSD na 1 terabyte of storage, you can buy it at around 4,350. So if you're choosing in 256 GB of storage, it is priced at 1,550 pesos. And if you're choosing yung kind of 512 GB, it's priced at 2,550 pesos. To know where to buy this one, check the link on the description below. Now guys, tingnan naman natin itong Aisurix na RX 550 XT na may 8 gigs na DDR6. And this one is a gaming graphics card ni Aisurix. And I know na this one is geared towards gaming. And ang kanyang price currently is 7,899. Normally, you can get it a little bit lower during mga sale, which is mga 4,400, 5,500. Normally, mas makita mo, mas mababa nga ng presyo. So, running through some specs nito, this one is of course, running through some specs, ang kanyang GPU is Navi 14, ang kanyang bus type is PCIe na 4.0x8, then kanyang core technology is 7nm, video memory, 8 gigs of RAM, ang kanyang video memory is 8 gigs, then of course, ang kanyang memory type is GDDR6. Then sa likod niya, meron siyang 1 HDMI port and tatlong DP port. So right now, we'll be playing two games dito to see ang kanyang performance. One's the Red Dead Redemption 2 and the other one is the Call of Duty na Modern Warfare 2. So let's start. So after playing the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 for a while, I can say na itong game is definitely okay. Very smooth naman siya and well, roughly tumatakbo at around 120 FPS. Medyo consistent naman siya, no, all throughout the game. And minimal, very minimal. Halos wala akong nafe-feel na mga lags dito sa game na ito. Itong card na ito was able to handle it smoothly, unlike yung 580, which is medyo mafe-feel mo may kunting lag pa along the way. This one is a lot more smoother and you can see the performance. Definitely, it's pretty much okay. Now, if you play the Red Dead Redemption, so after playing itong Red Dead Redemption 2, itong kanyang frame rate is pegged at around mga 40 to 42 FPS. And I can say, yung kanyang GPU utilization is halos laging maxed out dahil this one's AAA game. So, definitely, ang kanyang consumption sa GPU is more intense as compared to sa Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. In this game, I can say okay naman siya, but of course, don't expect too much dahil this one normally runs a lot smoother sa mga graphics card na 3060, 3070, and 3080. This one, it was able to run, but of course, yung smoothness niya, yung takbo niya is nowhere near yung mga level ng 3070. So after upgrading, what can I say about itong experience ko using the TForce Vulcan Z together with the Aisurix na 550 XT. Now, first of all, itong Vulcan Z for me is one of the cheapest na upgrade that I can get for 1TB of storage sa SSD. Very reliable siya and can read and write speed is just okay. Don't expect na yung sobrang taas ng kanyang read and write speed, but this one is just ample enough to get it going. Personally, I trust the TForce Vulcan Z to give me that better gaming experience as compared to other brands. And definitely, this one is one of my highly recommended na SSD if you are going up for an upgrade. So you can purchase from either 128 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1TB. Now, of course, syempre pagdating naman dito sa kanyang gaming graphics card, I can say naman na it is definitely a better option as compared to 580. It has better, it can perform better in some games like the Red Dead Redemption 2 and Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Okay din naman siya when you're doing your content creation sa Photoshop, Premiere Pro. Rendering is definitely a lot faster compared to 580. Now, I can say yung kind of frame rate has improved compared sa 580, which yung Modern Warfare nakakuha lang ako roughly ng mga 90 FPS. This one was able to give me 120 FPS all along while playing the game. So guys, if you're interested to buy these two items, I'll be linking on the description box below. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.